How to fix Twitter login problem error on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and make sure your iPhone is connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also try to switch between networks. Now, see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone. Next, in Settings again, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage and scroll down and navigate to Twitter. Further, go ahead and tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and then reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. Also, in General again, tap on VPN and Device Management and make sure your iPhone is not connected to any type of VPN services. Lastly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Twitter and make sure the application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the application and launch the application, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix Twitter login problem error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.